Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab that is VPC law analyzing network traffic. So simply click on Start Lab, right click and open the console incognito window. Now here, just click on this to activate the Cloud Shell, and please watch the video till the end so that you can get full score on this lab, because most of you may get some error over here. Click on Authorize. Let me change the appearance. Okay. Now in the description box, I've shared this repository. You have to come over here and just select it. Paste over here, hit enter. Now once you see output like this, you have to click on the first link. Click on edit. Okay, once you click on edit, you have to simply click on and simply save it. So it will take few seconds. Now it's updated. Now click on second link. Run the query. Click on actions. Create sync. Now come to the lab instruction and come to task number 4. Now from here, wait a second. Here, okay. In task number 4 only, we have to just type the sync name. Select BigQuery dataset. Select it. And simply scroll down and click on Create Sync. Once this is done, try to check the score. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description. Now do one thing, come back over here, type Y, hit enter. Now wait for it, it will take few minutes. You can try to check the score also from the lab. So it's done. Just copy it, try to paste over here. Now do one thing, come over here, click on the Vim instance. From here, we have to copy the external IP, paste it over here, copy from here to here, paste over here, select entire content, and just open the Cloud Shell again, paste it like this, and again do the curl. Now let's try to check the score again. So finally you can see it takes time. Okay, you have to repeat the step and you'll be able to complete the lab without any issue. So do like the video and just subscribe the channel.